Hey you guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be creating this look right here. And this is such a my my skin but better kind of a look inspired by Shraddha Kapoor. If you want to know how to get this look, please continue watching. So yeah, so first we have to prep our skin. It's really important to prep our skin. So I'm gonna be using this Nivea Soft Touch moisturizer. It's a really nice moisturizer. I really like it. So I'm gonna be using that. I have to pat it in the skin, and when it's completely absorbed into the skin, then we move on to the next step. For this tutorial I'm not going to be using any primer sort of thing, because I think for me it's enough for this tutorial. I'll be using only the cream. That's enough to prep the skin. So yeah, so next up I'm going to be using this Fit Me um, foundation. It's a really nice foundation. I'm going to be using a really light layer for it of it. So yeah, on the back of my hand I'm taking this really less, just this much. It's really less, guys. So yeah, because for me, what I think that the base was really soft, and it was not too heavy, so I think this much is enough. So what I'll do, I'll just paddle the brush and really lightly I'm gonna dot my face and press it in, and then giving a really light hand I'll blend the foundation in a circular motion. So this will do that, it will create a really nice base without you know taking off the product. So it's still on the skin, but it's really light. So take it on the brush, dot it on the face, and with a really light hand in a circular motion, just you know you'll achieve this look. And I'll cover my scars, so I'm using more over there. And you have to ensure that this is going with a really light hand, because the idea is to achieve um, a base which is flawless, but yet there is a base going on. I mean to say, the coverage should not be taken away. There should be coverage, but really minimal coverage. So yeah, so you can see really minimal coverage going on. And yep, forehead, as well, really less. So yeah, so you can see the base looks perfectly fine. Just blend it really nicely. So yeah, the base looks absolutely fine. Now it's the time for powdering up the skin. um so for that I'm using this Maybelline superstay white super fresh compact powder. Yeah, and I'll be using the Vega brush, which I think is my favorite brush. I know it's a bit spiky, but still it does the job, and nothing settles on top of it. Nothing. So I love this brush. So So I'm just gonna pat it in just like this. Just press it in so that it get locked, and also the face don't look. Also, I'll pat the product into the skin. I'll not do this. I'll pat it in. So that's how we use less powder and also settles the base really nicely. And I'll be using the Maybelline Master Contour. It's shade number 1, light to medium. So I'll be using this because I think it's really minimal. So the products which are going on the skin are slightly minimal. So yeah, so I'll be using the contour shade to contour. Really light contouring. And the face should not be chiseled up, right? So I need really light contouring. Her face was looking so fresh, so fresh. And then just up the jawline, so it should look fresh. And the blush of it is so beautiful, you guys. It looks like your own coral skin. So yeah, I'm gonna be using a blush. Smile and just apply the blush, and on the nose too, because we need the flush of color going everywhere. So yes, we're done. So the base looks really good actually. It looks like my own skin. Then I'll be using this Maybelline um, uh, lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance, and I think this is the perfect shade. But before that, wait, I'm gonna be doing my eyes, and it will be just really subtle, so we're not going to do much on the eyes. I'm going to be using the same palette, this contour, and from this I'm going to be taking, oh god, I just dropped some. So I'm going to be taking this bronzer shade and just bronzing my eyelids up a little bit. Okay, so that's look perfect. Okay, her eyes were really subtle. We don't want to do much on the eyes, so bottom also really less. Then we'll be taking a nice flat brush and this muscular shadow, black shadow, dipping it in and really close to the lash line. We'll be just putting the shadow. Okay, yeah, it's perfectly blended. It should be perfectly blended in and not at all smoothed out. Okay, right, so this is fine. Bring some sort of dimension to the eyes. Okay, yeah, we're done. Now I'll be using this Maybelline mascara, Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama, my favorite mascara. Okay, not heavy, just some sort of lift. Just we need a lift. She has not heavily put on layers of mascara or any falsies. The look was really minimal and really flattering. So yeah, so time for lipstick, and I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Nude Nuance. I'm using all the Maybelline products. This video might be named as Maybelline Shraddha Kapoor look using Maybelline products, maybe. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this lipstick. Really nice lipstick. So yeah, and sorry, to complete up the look, um you know, setting up the makeup, and her makeup looks so you know, so glowy and natural, so it's really important to set up the makeup. So I'm using this Good Vibes Lavender Soothing Mist, and this is a good mist. I really like this mist. And after that, I'm going to be putting a really light and subtle highlighter from that Maybelline palette itself. So yeah, okay. Oh my god, I really like it. Smell is so soothing. Oh, I think the look is really come out really nice. Yeah, and the next step, which is this brush, a fluffy brush. I'm using a fluffy brush. Yeah. Okay. What? Dipping it in and just highlighting cheekbones really lightly. Let it come to the cheeks itself. Love it. Yeah. Suddenly. So yeah, this is the final look. I think the look is so achievable, and it's really flattering and nice with a really affordable and minimum products I've used, and I think the look is so good. Yeah. So what do you think about this look? Please tell me in the comment section below. I'm really excited to, you know, achieve this look. It's so beautiful. Yeah, so with that I complete this makeup tutorial. See you in my next video. Till then, ta-ta. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and share to your friends if you think my look is good. So yeah, and please keep on giving me love. I'll now upload good videos. Yeah, see you in my next video. Bye bye.